Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by initiating Google's recovery flow, open the recovery page, and enter the Gmail address. Use a device and location you've used before because Google factors that in. Next, provide the last password you remember, even a partial guess helps. If prompted, choose to receive a code at your recovery phone or email. Once you get the code, enter it immediately. Make sure notifications and SMS aren't blocked, and keep the device connected to the internet throughout. Now focus on identity verification. Pick the method you can access, like SMS, recovery email, or a security key. If offered, approve the Google prompt on a signed-in device. This is fastest. When asked extra questions, give best estimates, account creation month, frequently emailed contacts, or labels you used. Accuracy increases chances. If you have backup codes or an authenticator app, use those. Keep explanations short and precise. When fields ask for details, once Google verifies you, create a new password. Use 12 or more characters and a mix of types. Save it in a password manager and update it on all devices and apps immediately to avoid lockouts. After resetting, check account recovery info and add a backup phone or authentication app. If verification fails, don't panic. Wait 1 to 3 days, gather more precise details, and retry. Repeated wrong answers can temporarily block attempts. If problems persist, use another familiar device and try again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.